to take from the game, but after the story of the game, I think we have to take it because we are on the tie, we are alive, and circumstances have developed.
Hi guitar heads, Rafaela here. Welcome back to my channel. I think this might be the most strange video I've ever made here on YouTube, guys. But you know, sometimes you have to do what you have to do. And it's been a long time I've been striving for getting a perfect sound from my Marshall Colt. And I have to be honest here, guys, I couldn't. What let me down for months. And guys, I'm not an audio engineer. Actually, I know nothing about that. Nevertheless, these days, I was setting up my stuff here and figured out something very interesting, what drew my attention instantly, making me happy again. And I'd love to share it with you now, guys. So, first, I will play without making any modifications on my amp, okay? Sitting it directly on the floor, using its very own effects, okay? And this is its original sound. Now, I will put this little piece of reclaimed wood underneath the amp, lifting it a little bit from the floor. And you can listen to what happens here. That's subtle but stunning, isn't it? Then guys, I'll put the two sounds one more time side by side and you can take your own conclusions, okay? what I want to show you today, because what helps me, I would love that helps you as well. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my channel if you have done it already, because that's great for me and I really appreciate your support, guys. And let me know what thought of it in the comments below. Maybe you have some tips to share, and I love reading your comments anyway, guys. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching, and remember to want us to succeed. Keep safe, mind the gap, and I'll catch you next video. Bye!